uncle broke his neck during Easy Obby.
I'm in the thick of...
I thought we were waiting until we got our fried chicken.
Yeah, we are. He's coming in hot.
Fried chicken, fried chicken, fried chicken, fried chicken.
We're gonna pretend.
No, we push Carl. No,
Carl.
when we see Carl, we ignore Carl and we just take the fried chicken out of his hand.
Mr. Beast, give me some money. Give me some money.
That's not how you...
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Oh, Carl's really near. Carl's really near.
How close?
He's really near.
We have to hide, man. We're gonna ambush him and we're gonna yell fried chicken.
I'm about to end this man's whole career.
Why are you running?
Domer.
Give me your